In this video we're going to check out together how to import presets into Lightroom 5. So this is not for the Lightroom Classic CC or the Lightroom CC application, this is for Lightroom 5, the older version. So if you purchase a preset by Velvet in Color, you will end up with a zip file as usual, and the zip file is containing all your data. What you have to do is you have to uncompress the zip file to get access to the files. So if you're using a Mac, the easiest way to uncompress is just double click on it and there you go. That's all you have to do for now. The next step is you have to copy the preset. You have to open the folder. As we're using a desktop application, go to desktop and copy the whole preset folder. You can do this by CMD-C, or you can do this by doing a right click and then copy Milky Way desktop in this case. So then we will head over to Lightroom, and remember, this is Lightroom 5. This is not the Lightroom Classic CC or the Lightroom CC. It's the Lightroom 5 application. So open this. So now we have to import our preset. We will do this by clicking on Lightroom in the left hand upper corner. Go to Preferences, then select Show Lightroom Presets folder. There you have to go to Develop Presets, and this is the area, the location where you have to paste your copy data. So in my case, I'm using a Mac, just hit CMD-V to paste your folder there. Then you can exit all these windows, restart Lightroom by quitting it, reopen it, and now you can see on the left hand side over here is our preset. If you want to apply this preset to a picture now, all you have to do is select the picture you want to edit, head over to the preset, select it, click it and apply it. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this content and I hope I helped you out with this one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more.